Puni ramen tutorial. Cover the mold in a thin layer of Vaseline to act as a barrier. This stops the squishy gel from fusing with the mold. Mix equal parts A and B and a few drops of pigment, and mix thoroughly. Fill the mold with the mixed gel, being careful not to overflow the mold. Fill tiny details with a toothpick or detail brush, and let cure at least 2 hours before adding the next color to avoid mixing. It's easiest to mix one color at a time and let cure, so plan out your colors in advance. To demold, slowly rolling the edges away from the mold to peel. Layer your ramen with all the toppings you like. Add your squishy to our included keychain bags to squish mess-free.